Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Let us see what is coming up, guys, for your general energies and for your love energies, Virgos. So, what is coming up for Virgos? Five of Pentacles, Page of Swords, Ten of Wands. Virgos, the energy with these cards is that, guys, you are feeling responsible in your situation about certain things. This may be in your work or in this relationship. You are the one who has that authority and power to deal with certain things, and people look up to you with good faith. There may be people who are following your lead. So that is the situation, guys, and you shoulder all those responsibilities. The burdens are there on you. Maybe this person, they rely on you totally to make their decisions. They have that great faith in you and they honor your decisions. So you share a mutual love and understanding, guys, in this relationship, and you have a great rapport. You share a great rapport with them, so they feel they can rely on you. That is the energy with these cards, guys. And also, maybe for some of you all, whatever it is, though you may be having certain troubles in your relationship, certain stressful situations, whatever it is, you still have that sense of togetherness. You do not want to leave this person, whatever it is. So you are there with them through thick and thin, through tough times. Whatever comes you in your way, you are facing that with together with this clear understanding with the other person. Maybe this is what they feel about you, or this is what you feel about them, guys. So, and maybe for some of you all, you may see someone who is trying to learn something about you. They may be prying you to know certain things, learn your secrets, or they may be asking your person, somebody common. It may be someone from your work who may be trying to take some information from you. They are trying really hard. So it may look like they are spying on you, guys, on something. They want to find out something about you. So they are trying really hard to come about with some information. That may also be the energy here, Virgos. So let us see what is coming with the other set of cards, guys. What is the energy? So far with these cards, I see a great understanding in your relationship, guys, and this person relies on you. Maybe for some of you all, they may rely on you for your skills and abilities. Let us see whether it is true, guys. Child, ring, so with these cards, Virgos, I definitely see that this person wants a commitment with you, guys. They also share that deep sense of responsibility in this relationship, and they want to have that deep commitment and bond with you, guys. And they want you and themselves to be in this relationship together. Or maybe for some of you all, you are making some kind of contracts, some kind of financial investments or deals. So you are going into some kind of deep responsibility also, or you are seeing some obligation through something that you need to do. You are completing that. So that may also be the energy here. And I generally see that this person is dedicated to you. They have that great love and attraction and trust on you guys, and commitment. They have that commitment in this relationship. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are into some kind of fresh start in your life, maybe with this relationship, or maybe for some of you all, you may be getting someone new. If you are single, it may be a person coming towards you, or you may be seeing some kind of new start in your career, some second career, something which you love, something which you are really passionate about, something of that sort, guys. Some career move is coming towards you. So you are heading for some kind of a new start in your life, guys. And also, Virgos, for some of you all, you may be working really hard, maybe to put certain things right. Maybe in your work, you may be doing something again and again, some kind of routines, or in your personal life, some kind of health oriented habits, some kind of health oriented activities like some dieting or exercise, or it may be something with sports. You may be training for some sports, something which you do repetitively, guys. So sometimes it may be a positive behavior, so you do not have to alter it. But sometimes if it is something negative in this relationship, you may be criticizing this person, or they may be criticizing you for something, or bickering, some kind of nagging. So you need to stop all that that incessant behavior, that negative behavior that you have. Maybe you are into some regular drinking or smoking. That may also be there, some kind of addictive behavior. So you need to change that too, guys, Virgos. So that is the energy with these cards. So whatever you feel is harmful, you need to change. And this person is coming with the deep commitment, guys. They want this relationship to go to the next level, and they share that bonding and understanding with you. And you are in for some kind of new start in your career or in your life. This may be the sign for the next step in your personal life. You may be moving towards a married life, or engagement or proposal, something, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Virgos. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, guys. Let go. So the guidance with this card is that, Virgos, sometimes in life, not sometimes, guys, always, we are conditioned to follow certain trends, and we try to keep up with others. So we feel trapped in fear and want. We believe that the things we have are the most important things that give us happiness and fulfillment. But it is far from true, guys. Our attachment to the things will often prevent us from seeing the truth. So we need to share and use these possessions with the people who need them, with the people who are there in our life, with our friends, family, with our person. So these material things are just temporary. Only the things we have in our heart, so those things are true. The feelings, emotions, and the sense of gratification, the sense of joy, happiness, of sharing, maybe we need to let go of that what to say, that possessive energy that we have over our things. So when the time comes, you need to go out of the way and help the people who need us. So when we do that, we will learn the true purpose of our life, Virgos. So that is what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. And that is the reading for today, Virgos. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.